Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use YouTube audio library. So I'm going to open my YouTube channel. After this we need to go in YouTube Studio. In the left side you can see the audio library. It is our YouTube audio library. So in here you can see the music, sound effect and start. So in search option, search or filter library. In search option you can search with track title, genre, mood or artist name or duration. If I search with genre, then we need to select this genre, and if I click on apply, now it will show only hip hop and dance and electronic music. If I play something, so I'm going to close this. From sound effect you can download sound effect for your video. There are many effects are available for free. These all are free: music, sound effect. In the right side you can see this download option. From here you can download your desired music or sound effect. If I go in music again, you can see this star icon, add star, but in sound effect there is no add star. If I go to start, then you can see there is nothing to see in my start, but this time I add star. I select a couple of star, then I refresh this page. And this time if I go to start, then you can see the theme music I add star, they appear in here. So in this way you can save your favorite music. I'm going to remove this star from here. And another tips I give you, this is going to be very helpful for you. If you have a Facebook page, you upload your same video in Facebook page. In those video you use audio library music, then you may have chance to get copyright claim in Facebook. So if you want to upload your video in Facebook, then don't use this audio library music. Facebook has another audio library. You can use this Facebook audio library for your video. So don't mix YouTube music to Facebook. So don't use YouTube audio library in Facebook. And in license type, you also see you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize, no attribute required. So you can only use this audio in your YouTube video only, not in Facebook. So if you want to learn more, then you can click on view details. You can use this audio track in any videos, including videos that you monetize, no attribution required. YouTube may credit the artist and link the audio library from your video. You may not make available distribution or perform the music files from this library separately from videos and other content in which have incorporated this music. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please share this video and subscribe this channel.